Hi everyone, back in the forge this morning, just putting the points on these pair of fire pokers that I welded up the other week. I'm doing a process called upsetting, which means I'm forging the end of the bar to make it wider. That's ahead of forging a nice diamond point on the end of these. It looks quite sweet. With a nice crispy diamond point. But it makes for very janky footage because my head shakes around quite a lot when I do this, I think. Enjoy. It's only 20 that.